Alright, imagine this. You've got a killer product idea, a burning desire to start your own online store, maybe even escape the 9-to-5 grind. But then, bam, you hit the brick wall. Where do you even find reliable suppliers? How do you avoid scams, counterfeit products, and endless hours of fruitless searching? Sound familiar? Yeah, I thought so. That's the exact problem we're going to tackle today. Because let's face it, finding the right suppliers is the bedrock of any successful e-commerce business. It's the difference between a thriving online store and a pile of unsold inventory gathering dust in your garage. Now, before we dive into the solution, let's just acknowledge the sheer chaos of the online sourcing landscape. You've got Alibaba, AliExpress, countless individual manufacturers, and a whole host of gurus promising you instant riches. But how do you sift through the noise? How do you know who to trust? This is where the SaleHoo directory comes in. Think of it as your trusted guide, your secret weapon in the world of online sourcing. It's not just another directory. It's a curated database of pre-vetted suppliers designed to save you time, money, and a whole lot of headaches. So what exactly is the SaleHoo directory? At its core, it's a comprehensive online resource that connects you with thousands of verified dropshippers, wholesalers, manufacturers, and liquidators. It's like having a team of sourcing experts at your fingertips, constantly researching and updating the database to ensure you have access to the best suppliers in the world. But it's more than just a list of names and contact details. SaleHoo goes the extra mile to provide you with detailed information about each supplier, including their product range, shipping policies, payment terms, and even customer reviews. This level of transparency is crucial for building trust and establishing long-term relationships with your suppliers. Now, let's break down some of the key features that make SaleHoo stand out from the crowd. First, verification and vetting. This is arguably the most important aspect of SaleHoo. Every supplier listed in the directory has been thoroughly vetted by the SaleHoo team, ensuring they are legitimate and reliable. This means you can avoid the common pitfalls of dealing with unverified suppliers, such as scams, counterfeit products, and poor customer service. Second, extensive supplier database. SaleHoo boasts a massive database of over 8,000 suppliers, covering a wide range of product categories. Whether you're looking for electronics, clothing, home goods, or anything in between, you're likely to find what you need in the SaleHoo directory. Third, market research tools. SaleHoo provides a suite of powerful market research tools that can help you identify trending products, analyze competition, and determine profit margins. These tools can give you a significant edge in the marketplace, allowing you to make informed decisions about what to sell and how to price your products. Fourth, community and support. SaleHoo has a vibrant community forum where you can connect with other e-commerce entrepreneurs, ask questions, and share your experiences. The platform also offers excellent customer support, with a team of experts ready to assist you with any issues you may encounter. Now, you might be thinking, okay, this sounds great, but how does it actually work in practice? Let's walk through a typical scenario. Imagine you're interested in selling fitness equipment. You would start by logging into your SaleHoo account and using the search filters to narrow down your search to suppliers in the fitness equipment category. You can further refine your search by specifying your preferred location, product type, and other criteria. Once you've found a few potential suppliers, you can review their profiles, read customer reviews, and contact them directly to request samples or negotiate pricing. SaleHoo provides templates for contacting suppliers, making the process even easier. The market research tools are also invaluable. You can use the Market Research Lab to identify trending fitness products, analyze competition on platforms like Amazon and eBay, and estimate potential profit margins. This data can help you make informed decisions about which products to focus on and how to price them competitively. Let's talk about the specific benefits of using SaleHoo. Firstly, time savings. Searching for reliable suppliers can be incredibly time-consuming, especially if you're doing it manually. SaleHoo eliminates the need for endless Google searches and trial and error. Secondly, risk reduction. By working with verified suppliers, you can minimize the risk of scams, counterfeit products, and other common pitfalls. Thirdly, increased profitability. Access to a wide range of suppliers allows you to find the best prices and negotiate favorable terms. The market research tools can also help you identify high-profit margin products. Fourthly, access to a supportive community. The SaleHoo Community Forum provides a valuable resource for networking, learning, and getting support from other e-commerce entrepreneurs. Now, it's important to understand that SaleHoo is not a magic bullet. It's a tool, and like any tool, it's only as effective as the user. You still need to do your due diligence, research your market, and build a solid business plan. But SaleHoo can significantly streamline the process and increase your chances of success. Let's address some common concerns. Some people might wonder about the cost of SaleHoo. Yes, there is a subscription fee. However, when you consider the time and money you can save by avoiding scams and finding reliable suppliers, the investment is often well worth it. Think of it as an investment in your business, not an expense. Another concern is competition. With so many people using SaleHoo, won't the market become saturated? While it's true that there will be competition, the key is to find your niche and differentiate yourself. Focus on providing excellent customer service, building a strong brand, and offering unique value to your customers. Let's be honest, starting an online business is challenging. There are a lot of moving parts and it can be overwhelming at times. But with the right tools and resources, you can significantly increase your chances of success. SaleHoo is one such tool that can help you build a thriving e-commerce business. It's important to remember that not all suppliers will be a perfect fit. You'll need to communicate clearly, negotiate terms, and build strong relationships. Don't be afraid to ask questions and seek clarification. And remember, success in e-commerce requires persistence and dedication. You won't become a millionaire overnight, but with hard work and the right tools, you can achieve your goals. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.